In this video, I will introduce a very simple but useful sensor, DHT11, that is a digital humidity and temperature sensor. Let's study some simple Chinese. Humidity in Chinese is 湿度, 湿度. Temperature in Chinese is 温度, 温度. This is DHT11. This one is composite sensor that contains the calibrated digital signal output of temperature and humidity. This is how to connect. This sensor only one wire signal we connect to Arduino pin 7. Communication process is serial interface, but only single wire, two-way. So that means very easy to connect. This program we will use DHT sensor library. So in library manager, search that DHT sensor library based on Adafruit unified sensor. So when you install that, also will automatically install Adafruit unified sensor. In this program, we will use LCD to display temperature and humidity. So we need to include some library like DHT library, Adafruit sensor library, and LCD library. Then we define the DHT sensor's pin. We connect to number 7, so it's pin 7. And define DHT type, because DHT library can support so many different sensors, DHT11, DHT22, like that. Now we use DHT11, so type is DHT11. Next, we create an instance of DHT. This capital DHT is a class, and we use instance small case DHT, that is include the pin and the type, and initialize LCD. Then here we use H to read the humidity, and use T to read the temperature. So H and T is a humidity and the temperatures. Then in LCD, the first row we print temperature and the T's value. Here chart 223, that means the degree symbol. And the second row we will print humidity and the value and the percent. Now let's see the results. The temperature is 22 degrees and the humidity 74. This is sensor. If I put the sensor close to my hot coffee, no, humidity is 95, very high. In Pro Tools, if we want to simulate that, in Pick Device window, we can input DHT11 and search. This is mode of DHT11. Put here. Only one wire connect to IO7. So data connect to IO7, and copy program to source code. Don't forget, we need to enable SPI and I2C. So right click, enable that. Then run simulation. Temperature and humidity. We can adjust value. This is increase, decrease temperature, and also we can switch to humidity, increase humidity and decrease humidity. You'll see the value change. So that is the content of today. See you next time.